Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ramesh. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Chrome driver for Selenium. First, make sure there are three things ready before setting up the Chrome driver: Java JDK, Eclipse IDE, and the Selenium driver. Make sure they are installed on your system. If you don't have them, check the link in the video description for detailed instructions on how to install them. It's important that the version of the Chrome browser and the version of the Chrome driver must match the major version. To check the Chrome browser version, open Chrome, click on the three dots and select Help and About Google Chrome. You will see the version number which has major, minor and build version number. For example, if your current Chrome version is this, you need a Chrome driver starting with 124.0.6367. To download the Chrome driver, search for ChromeDriver download in the web browser and click on the WebDriver for Chrome download link. Alternatively, you can visit Selenium official website, that is selenium.dev, and click download. Go down and click browsers plus symbol under platform supported by Selenium. Select documentation link for Chrome browser. Once you are on the page, click the version selection link or the Chrome for testing availability dashboard link. Look for the latest stable version, for example 124.0.6367.155, which matches our Chrome driver version. Click the stable link. Since I am using Windows 64-bit as my operating system, I will copy this link and open it in a separate tab. The download will start. Once downloaded, go to downloaded folder and extract the zip file. Now Chrome driver is ready. To test the Chrome driver, open Eclipse. Within the Selenium demo Java project, create a Java class, name it Chrome driver test. Check main method confirmation box and click finish. You need to set the path to ChromeDriver.exe using system.setProperty. This method requires two arguments, the name of the driver and the path of the driver. The Chrome driver name is WebDriver.chrome.driver. The name of the path is extracted path of the driver file. Please note that you have to specify ChromeDriver.exe at the end of the Chrome driver path. Next, create a new instance of the Chrome driver. WebDriver driver equal new Chrome driver. Use this driver object to navigate any website. For example, Google website. Driver.get and specify the path of the Google URL. Finally, run the application. Chrome browser is opened and navigate to the google.com's website. Here you can see message like Chrome is being controlled by the automated test software. It means that Chrome is opened by automated test script. Now we have successfully downloaded the Chrome driver and opened the Chrome browser using automation test script. Thank you.